All right. See that glisten? You see that glisten? Hey YouTube. Hey YouTube. I have a good one for you today. None other than the MacBook Pro M1 chip. 512 gigabytes, 8 gigabytes of RAM. Let's get this started. Hit on MacBook Pro. God. Okay. Alright, let's get to more crack-a-lacking. Don't mind my pink robe. It's all a part of the effect. How do I wash this? Alright, you're getting an overhead look of the box, and let's see what's in it. So, let's take the box off. Bada boom, bada bang. Chicka chang, chicka chang. Right, it's a nice box opening. Let's put this down here. And here we got the nice space gray MacBook Pro. Let's take it out. Ooh, it's nice and light, but heavy at the same time. Alright, let's put this to the side on the couch. Let it lay, let it sway. So right here we got let's see, USB-C, sorry, USB-C, looks like USB-C, the USB-C cord. Alright, and then we got the info. Let's see what's in this. Got the MacBook Pro info. Got the 2 space gray Apple stickers. Alright. And then we have the charger. Let's take that out. Oops. Okay. Let me take this out. like this. You know what? I'm gonna just floss it. The charger. Got the Apple logo on it. Looks like that's it. That's in the box, boy. Alright, so let's see. Okay, got the 8GB, 512GB SSD storage, 13-inch MacBook Pro. Now, what you've been waiting for, none other than the MacBook Pro M1 chip 2020. Let's get it. Yeah, all of that in it. All right, let's put that over there. Effect. Okay. All right. See that glisten? You see that glisten? All right. Now let's turn this thing on. From other videos I've watched, I've noticed that when you turn it on, when you open it, it turns on. So let's see how that works. All right, let's open this thing up. First, let me turn it around. As you can see, you open it from here. And let's open it. Oh, okay. All right, let's take this off. Haha. And it just opens like that. You can see me. Alright, so what we got here? We got the English language. Okay.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
Yes, ma'am. Select country. United States. Continue. Accessibility. Not now. Connect to Wi-Fi. Alright, 1 second. Okay, now it's setting it up. And soon it'll be on the home screen, I assume. Indeed. What is this? Calendar, would like to use your current. Okay, whatever. So this is the home screen, guys. Here's what pops up first: Finder, Launchpad, Safari, all the Apple apps, you know. Alright, so what should we do first, guys? What should we do first? Let me see all the apps I have. Yeah. I guess I could end it here. That's the unboxing. Oh, let me show you the actual keyboard. So this is what the keyboard looks like. It has the touchpad on there. This is my first time having a computer with that, so I'll see how it works. And then we close it. That's the Apple logo right here. Yeah, so let's it's backwards. Well, not backwards when you open it, but you understand. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna let you guys go. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.